Hi everyone, this is Anu, and this is my first STEAM project for this season. For my first project, I made 2 clocks. One of them is an analog clock, and the other is a digital clock. The analog clock shows the time of Vancouver, like this, and the clock runs. As you see, it's 11:51 in my analog clock, and also in my computer it's 11:51. And my digital clock shows India, London, Vancouver, and New York. 4 time zones. As you see, in India it's 1 in midnight, and Vancouver it's 11:51. In London it's 7, and in New York it's 2. So these are my projects. Thanks for watching. Bye!